As a kid, I have always wondered what it would be like to travel to space, to see the Earth from above, to experience complete weightlessness. I always had this thought in the back of my mind, but never believed this dream could become real someday. That changed when I visited the Science Museum in London during a school trip. There was an exhibition about Valentina Tereshkova, the first woman to travel to space. I read about her and thought to myself, at least I have to try. It may be hard to become an astronaut, but it isn't impossible. Many relatives of mine are fascinated by space and spaceflight. Therefore, my childhood consisted of watching the stars on the night sky, trying to spot the International Space Station when it flew over Austria, and being woken up in the middle of the night to watch live transmissions of rocket launches. In 2009, at the age of 8, I even got my driver's license for a Mars rover at the Institute for Space Research. Nevertheless, I also took it upon myself to learn as much as I could about space on my own. I took an astronomy course and a course about the physics of aeronautics at my school. Whenever there is an event in my hometown Graz which is related to space, I attend it. In 2015, at the Graz Space Day, I saw several real astronauts and cosmonauts who talked about their space flights and answered questions. Just a few days ago, I went to a show called Space Busters, where I met the Austrian cosmonaut Franz Wiebeck. Because I wanted to find out more about female astronauts and their journeys to space, I wrote my pre-scientific paper on female spacefarers. I even managed to do an interview with Claudie Aigneret, who is one of the few European female astronauts. I think I already have some qualities that astronauts need, like staying calm under pressure, getting along well with a team, or a low aggression potential. I'm good at natural sciences too. Mathematics and physics are some of my favorite subjects at school. In my spare time, I like to climb and hike, so my physical condition is not too bad. However, there are still many things I need to learn. I am very motivated and will give 120% at everything I'm doing. To visit the space camp would be a great opportunity for me and also a big step on the way to become an astronaut.